POCO X5 5G is here. Pero feeling ko ito mas mura, mas sulit. Pero ano bang meron dito? Snapdragon 695 5G, 5000 mAh of battery, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, 48MP triple camera setup, 120Hz Samsung AMOLED display. Actually, kahit si Apple gumagamit ng Samsung OLED. FYI, lahat po ng iPhone gumagamit ng Samsung OLED. So, ito na yung itsura ng POCO X5 5G. Naku, mas elegant siya ngayon. Akala nyo, glass back siya. Kamukha niyo mga flagship phones ngayon, guys, no? It has that nice, elegant, gradient back design. Kapag tinataman ng ilaw, hindi siya parang reflective, no? Parang meron siyang frosting na konti. It goes from black to gray and things like that. By the way, meron siyang ibang colors. And you also get the POCO signature camera module right there. Yes, kapag nakita nyo yung ganitong klaseng design, alam nyo, POCO agad yan. And here we go. Oh my God, ang ganda ng display. Looks like we have a winner. 6.67-inch, big, 120Hz Samsung AMOLED display na po to. 1080p. And it looks like sobrang bright siya. Up to 1,200 nits of peak brightness. 402,000 points and Antutu benchmark. That is pretty fast. Actually, with that speed, kaya mag-ultra graphics sa Mobile Legends, high refresh rate with no problems at all. So while we're playing, ayun, napansin namin, ang smooth niya all throughout. And we're very comfortable when playing the game dahil po sa kanyang curved body. Ayun, so ayun lang po yung problema ng mga box-type phones. Hindi sila gano'n ergonomic. Medyo mangangaling yung kamay nyo. Hindi katulad ng mga phones na ganito, curve yung kanilang likod. But yes, going back sa performance, naku, ang ganda niya sa Mobile Legends. Wala din mistouch, no?